Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about what countries Remitly supports. When looking at international money transfer platforms, understanding the geographic footprint is essential for anyone sending funds across borders. Remitly operates extensively across the globe, functioning as both a sending and receiving network. To give you a clear picture of how global this network is, we need to break it down into two sides: the countries you can send money from, and the countries you can send money to. Starting with the sending side, Remitly allows customers to initiate transfers from dozens of major origin countries. This includes key financial hubs such as the United States, Canada, the United Kingdom, Australia, and the countries making up the Eurozone, including nations like Germany, France, Italy, Spain, and the Netherlands. Additionally, senders can use the platform from several other regions across the globe, including parts of the Middle East, Asia, and Latin America, depending on local regulatory approvals. On the receiving end, Remitly's network is even larger. The platform supports money transfers to over 170 receiving countries worldwide. This massive reach covers major remittance corridors across Asia, Latin America, Europe, Africa, and parts of the Middle East. Some of the most popular destination countries include India, the Philippines, Mexico, Colombia, Pakistan, Vietnam, China, and Nigeria, alongside dozens of other nations globally. Because Remitly frequently updates its network layout, adds new corridors, or adjusts availability based on shifting international banking regulations, it is always a good practice to check their official mobile app or website directly. By selecting your specific sending country on their platform, you can instantly view the live, up-to-date list of active receiving destinations and available currencies currently supported. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.